welcome, a very warm welcome to all the parents and a really tight huggy to my children, And everybody I know is waiting for today's story. But children, I just want to tell you one thing, why stories are important. And even I want to ask mamas also and grandmamas also. Stories are important because when we narrate a story, जब भी हम किसी बच्चे के साथ उसको story सुनाते हैं, तो that person becomes child's favorite, whether it's a mother, grandfather, grandmother, नानी, नानू, anybody. बच्चे वेट करते हैं कब टाइम आएगा, हम दादी के साथ बैठेंगे, हम नानी के साथ बैठेंगे, दादू के साथ बैठेंगे और stories. That strengthens the bond between a child and mother or grandmother. Second, parents, we always, I keep on hearing this from the parents कि बच्चे बिल्कुल शांत नहीं हैं, बहुत नॉटी हैं, सुनते नहीं हैं. तो the best thing to make them calm और उनको शांत करने के लिए है कि एक रूटीन बनाइए. Build a routine where you will sit with your child and you will tell him a story, or you narrate a story, or you will read a story. Third most important thing is the vocabulary and language. Whenever we are telling a story, then so many new things we tell to a child, कि कुछ भी उसमें नया है तो हम बताते हैं कि ये है. जैसे मुझे तो ये है कि जब महाभारत की हम स्टोरी या रामायण की सुनाते हैं तो उसमें सबको यही पता है कि सीता जी का एक नाम सीता जी है. तो जब आप स्टोरी सुनाते हो तो आप बताते हो उनका नाम एक जानकी भी है, वो भूमि से पैदा हुई थी, उनका नाम भूमिजा भी है. और इस तरह की कितनी सारी चीजें उनको हम बताते हैं बात करते करते कि एक जटाऊ भी एक किस्म का बर्ड होता है. तो दैट improves your language and vocabulary. Fourth, बच्चे सुनते नहीं है. आपने बच्चों को सुनाना है ना, उनको स्टोरी सुनाया करिए. That will, their listening ear will improve and their listening skills will improve. I think you must have noticed whenever you tell a story to a child, बच्चे की आंखें ऐसी होती हैं. अच्छा, what next? फिर क्या हुआ? फिर कैसे हुआ? वो सुनते हैं आपको. तो ये बेस्ट तरीका है अगर हम बच्चे की listening skills को develop करें. And of course, last not the least, child's memory, child's imagination. जब आप उसको कहानी सुनाते हो, अगली बारी आप उससे सुनते हो, तो कितनी अच्छी तरह से वो कभी-कभी बच्चा अपनी imagination से भी कुछ बताता है. ये वो birds कैसी थी, वो परियां कैसी थी, वो पहाड़ कैसे थी. बच्चे की दुनिया में शायद शेर भी बोलता होगा और शायद बारिश की बूंदें भी बात करती होंगी, शायद फूल भी उनको हेलो करता होगा. So that improves their memory and imagination. तो इतनी सारे benefits हैं. Why not go for a story session today? Shh. Have you ever seen a chocolate house? आपने देखा है कभी chocolate का घर? We are going to show you today that only. So over to the story team for story.
But my children, Rahul and Riya, they at times don't listen to me. I'm really worried about that. Oh, it's dinner time. It's dinner time. I should better call them. Rahul, where are you?
Yes, Mama. Oh, Mama, please, I don't want to eat anything right now. Mama, please don't force me. I just want to have this and want to watch TV. Mama,
This is
please.
bad, Rahul. Okay, Riya dear, where are you? Please come and eat your dinner. And you have yet to finish your homework. Come on, come inside.
Mom, I'm playing in the garden. I don't want to do any homework. I will tell ma'am that yesterday we went to a party, so I could not do my homework.
Riya, but it's really bad to tell lies. Now, what should I do to call them here? They are not listening to me. Okay, Rahul, Riya, Do you want to listen to a story?
Oh, wow, story. Wait a minute, Mama, I'm just coming.
Wow, Mom, please narrate a story for us.
Okay, come inside. First finish your dinner, then I'll tell you a beautiful story and you're going to enjoy it. Come.
Oh, Mama, please, I don't want to eat anything. Please don't force me, Mama.
Come on, Rahul. If you want story, you'll have to finish your food.
Okay, I'll have little food. Little.
Okay, good. You have finished your food. Now I'm going to tell you the story. Good children. Long time ago, there lived two siblings, Naina and Naman, with their mom and dad. Their parents, like all parents, loved them a lot and wanted them to be happy and safe always. They had instructed them not to go out of the house alone and never to take anything from the strangers. One day, when mom and dad were sleeping, Naman told his sister, Naina, let's go out of the house. Mom and dad are sleeping. Naina said, Brother, but mom has told us not to go out of the house alone. Naman said, don't worry, they are sleeping and we'll be back soon. So both of them left the house. They kept walking and walking, looking here and there, until they reached a jungle. They went inside and lost their way in the forest. They were scared and hungry too. While searching for their way home, they saw a house. To their surprise, the house was made of chocolates, cakes, and candies.
भूले थे भटके थे जंगल में वो, डरते थे भूखे थे घबराते वो, मिला उन्हें एक सुंदर सा बंगला, था वो एक चॉकलेट का बंगला.
Oh my God, such a beautiful house made of yummy chocolates, flavorful candies, delicious cakes, and appetizing lollipops. So tempting, so tempting.
सुंदर सा चॉकलेट का बंगला, चांदी और सोने सा चमचमने वाला, चॉकलेट के बंगले में कितना सुंदर है ये चॉकलेट.
They happily grabbed pieces of chocolates, candies, cakes, lollipops, gems, to fill their empty tummies. When they were full and about to leave, they saw an old woman standing at the door.
Children! Wow! You like chocolates? You like candies? I have many more. Come inside the house. Come, come. You can take them, and I will allow you to take home also. Come, come inside my house. Come along with me. Oh.
Despite being full, the children were greedy for more. Naman told Nana, "Let's go inside and enjoy more chocolates." Nana said, "But Mom has told us not to take anything from the strangers." Naman said, "Oh, come on. Mom is not here. We will take some chocolates for Mom and Dad also." So they both went inside the house. Suddenly, the old woman turned into a witch.
So, I'm going to put this boy in my cage and will eat him some other day. Yummy, yummy food for me. Oh my God. And you go and do household work for me. You will do household work for me. And I'm going to eat you some other day.
The children were so scared and were crying. Next day, the witch put the pot with boiling water on fire so that she can cook Naman in it. As she was checking inside the pot, Nana took her chance and pushed her into the boiling pot. The children quickly ran out of the house. Luckily, after wandering around, they found their way back home. Their mom and dad were overjoyed to see them. Children said sorry to their parents and promised to obey them always. They decided never to go out of their house alone and not to take anything from the strangers. So Rahul and Ria, Did you like the story?
Yes, Mama, I love the story. Now onwards, I will not take anything from these strangers. Careful, careful, careful. Here is a stranger. Stranger is a danger. If you see a stranger, if a stranger offers you a chocolate, if a stranger offers you toys, if a stranger offers you candies, if a stranger wants to come to you, say, no way, no way, go away, go away, shout aloud, go away. Thank you, Mama.
Very good, Rahul. And Ria, what about you? What have you learned?
From today, I will always obey you and Papa. O-B-E-Y, obey your mom and dad. O-B-E-Y, obey your mom and dad. O-B-E-Y, makes them very glad. O-B-E-Y, obey your mom and dad. Listen to the words they say, obey your mom and dad. O-B-E-Y, obey your mom and dad. La 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 la. Thank you.
Wonderful, child. So, my dear children, all students of APJ school, did you enjoy the story? And from today, will you obey your parents and all the elders at home? Your grandma, grandpa, chachu, chachi, you should obey all the elders of your home. Okay? And in the school, your ma'am. Okay? And one thing more, you will never step out of the house alone and will never take anything from the strangers. Right? Promise? Okay. Now let's see who is coming to meet you again. Oh, that same witch. Oh, she's come here. But she has not come to scare you. She's become a good auntie now.
Oh, so you all are back.
Come, auntie. We want to meet you. We want to play some games with you. Wow. All the
They are
children,
ready.
are you ready?
They are ready. Ooh. So I'm here to give you chocolate, lollipops. Are you ready? Are you ready for that? Oh my God. So for that, you have to give me the answers. We are going to play the game. You know what is the game? You know what is the game? The game is about to find the difference. Can you find the difference for me? Okay, so we are ready, ready, ready. So, abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly, gilly, shot. The game is in front of you. Now, you all have to spot the difference. Find the difference for me. I will give you chocolates. I will unmute one child and they will tell me the difference. So your time starts now. 1, 2,
Come on, come on.
3. Kavish Katyal, you have written hat. Ooh, you find the difference. Very bored are sitting here. Find the difference for me. Oh, Yashita, frock. Very good. Ma'am, unmute anyone And I want to listen. Who can give me the answer? I want to give the chocolates to them. Unmute any child, ma'am. Hello. Who's there on my gate?
Intelligent children. So many intelligent children. They are giving their answers. Wow.
Yellow balloon.
Udva, speak loudly.
Yellow ma'am. Yellow balloon.
He's saying yellow balloon. Yes, yellow lollipop is not there.
Very good. Now I'm going to unmute Abir Channa.
Yay! Yay! Oh, Abhi, what is red? Answer.
Red hat.
Chocolate. Oh yeah, red hat. You will get a lollipop, Abhi. Wow. Any more to answer my question? Any more? There are so many differences. I can see many more. You can't?
Adiraj,
Can't you see the door?
Adiraj, unmute yourself.
Adiraj, tell me the answer, Adiraj. Tell me the answer.
Shoes.
Wow. Shoes of the girl. Excellent. Excellent. You are answering the witch auntie. I'm getting so happy. Wow. I'm getting the chat answers even, ma'am. I can see so many. Wow. So let's clap for our children. There are so many. They're answering. Entrance now. See, I have
in the
got
chat box also. There are so many answers.
so
in
many
the chat box.
answers. And I have stars for them. I have chocolates for them. I have so many things. Oh, we have one more game for you. So let's go back. Are we ready for the next game? Let's go back to my house. Gilly, Keely, shoo! Go back to my house. Abracadabra, abracadabra, gilly, gilly, shoo! We are back to my house. You're back to my house. You very intelligent children. I love you all. This is the second picture. You know what you have to do? You have to find the difference. No, that was separate one. This is a new one. You know what you have to do here? You have to count the jellies, the candies, the biscuits and cookies for me. Kindly find the jellies and cookies for me. Find them right now. Are they finding it? Oh, four lollipops. Yes. Excellent. Divyam, 3 candies. Very good. Oh, wow. Can you count the circle cookies for me? Anyone? Any one of you can count the cookies for me?
There.
Okay, count.
What is the...
Himanya, speak loudly.
Oh, you want to give the answer? I have a lollipop and chocolate for you.
कौन सी वाली कर रहे हो?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
What are you counting? What are you counting for me, Manya? Cookies. Are you counting the cookies?
करो count.
Oh, there is one naughty boy. There is one naughty boy in the screen who is scribbling on my screen.
8, 9, 10.
बस.
There are 10 cookies. Hey, you counted? Wow, Himanya, you are excellent girl, excellent. Can you count the lollipops? Can you count the lollipops? How many pink lollipops are there? Anyone else? Anyone else? Ma'am, please unmute somebody, child, who wants to answer the lollipop.
Unmute Orange.
Okay. Aryan Jen, give me the answer. I'm happy. I'm too happy. Ooh, they, how many lollipops are there, pink? Answer, bache. You don't want that I should take you along to my house. Answer my question. How many pink lollipops are there? Can you answer? Ma'am, I can hear the chat. Ooh, yes. Come close, come close, come close. 4. There are 4 lollipops. Yay! Clapping for the child. Clapping for the child, ma'am. They are genius.
Clapping.
Can you see? Can you see the cookies on the house? Can you see them? Can you see them? They're the cookies on the house even. Wow, star cookies. Star cookies. There are how many star cookies? Pragya, how many star cookies on the house roof?
She's saying 9. She's written 9 in the chat box.
Okay, but they are not 9. They are not 9. You were wrong. Ma'am, now let's come back to the back screen. They are scribbling. They are scribbling. Yes, they are 3. They are 3. Yay! Give a clap to them. Give the stars to them. Give the candies to them. Yes, they are 3. Wow! Thank you. Thank you, my lovely children. You all were great. You all were fantastic. You did a great job. Wow. Thank you, ma'am. They played a game with the man, which auntie. Really, you enjoy. You enjoy. So here's a bye-bye. Be good children. Don't go to the jungle alone. Don't talk to the strangers. Otherwise, I will come and eat you. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, shoo!
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Which auntie? I really enjoyed the games. I hope you all must have. Now let's add some more fun with the dance time. So all of you get up on the floor for some beautiful, beautiful dance moves. Are my children ready? All the children ready? Okay.
1, 2, 3, start.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, wow, wonderful.
So the dance is over.
Amazing, amazing dance performance by my children. A big hand for you all. Everyone clap. So we all enjoyed the story and you all have danced so well. When you will come to school, I'm going to give you so many chocolates. Okay. Now over to Ruchika ma'am.
Thank you so much. Such a lovely, excellent session it was. I hope that the way the story was narrated, the students liked it so much. And even the story characters came to life during the story. Even I imagined myself in the dark woods, amidst dark woods, and can visualize the chocolate house. It was really wonderful, wonderful sound effects as well. And I think it's a hands-on learning as well for the younger participants, as they learned never to talk to strangers, never to take things from them, and moreover obey the elders. And moreover, the dance time and the exciting games add the liveliness to the session. Thank you so much, everyone.
So bye everyone. Bye.
Bye. Don't talk to the strangers. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Otherwise,
Take
which
anything
I
from-
do.
Bye bye.
Bye, children. Bye.
Bye. Love you all.
Thank you.
Don't take
See
anything
you
from
on Monday.
strangers.
Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Sunday.
Listen to your mummy, papa.